Pity party. This is the free one.
We're just getting ready to go out for dinner. These guys are taking the longest to get ready.
Bro, we were playing games and we got told that the food was going to get delivered
I can't
instead
open
of
this.
us going out. So I made plans with my friends.
Oh, that's tough.
I don't remember that.
No, I said it. Well, that's not my fault. I made plans with my friends because I was informed otherwise.
Oh, I like those pants. Yes, I do, Dad. They're in my pockets.
Come on, don't be shy.
Already been in it, okay? Already been in it.
He's already back
Oh, that's better angle.
to
No, she put it. No. Don't pet. Do it. Oh, you won. We're out for another.
She's a nice
We're out for another work. Who said that? Oh, Missy Boo.
Watch me. Ready?
Whose kid's that? No laughing.
Oh no, that's a Jaeger bus. 1 minute. Three, two, one. Harry Potter.
Tell Harry Potter. 3, 2, 1. Flying car. Oh my god.
Broom.
Okay, broom
Do
is
you
actually a
think
good
it's
one.
broom?
It could be.
He's a hacker.
Here again on our next walk of the week. Whānau in tow. And it's quite sunny, but there's this one day.
Yep.
Off we go. Hopefully we'll warm them up with the hikoi. Just had a whānau hui about how we're going to function as a whānau for the next week and a half, because the two little ones fight. Brother's getting frustrated. Me and Hama have work. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a trial and error for a week and a half. But brother also shared his frustrations around having to go to the doctors and still not having something that will really help him get better. We've been a bit light on recording this week. Tawhiri went for a CT scan.
Got it right this time.
We're here with Mr. Pep, who's about to go to school, back to school, and also
Oh my.
we've got Labour Weekend coming up in the Hatupara Jubilee, so Hummer's going to be going to that while we're at home with Auntie and boys.
Yep. The little cousin, I'm not gonna, the best auntie actually. I'll say it, because she used to look after all of us in the holidays.
Mama.
Every time. Second mum. Second mum. So yo, haven't been vlogging that much. That's because we haven't been that busy anymore, but still.
Well,
We'll do better. And look, next week there won't be that much because I'll be up in Napier.
yeah, you could totally do some more shit up there and take footage.
Yeah, I could.
You just got to remember. The reason why we probably haven't been that active, by the way, is because you had your CT scan.
Yeah. And then the Auntie Mo.
Yeah. And
She's a physio. I don't know what you call those type of people.
physiotherapist.
A physiotherapist, and she's really good, like expert level.
Auntie Mo. And plus, Hummer and I have gone back to work this week. It was school holidays last week. And so yeah, I've been in the tari.
We got my auntie and cousin coming on Friday. That's gonna be pretty good.
Yeah. How are you feeling at the moment?
I feel good. I feel ready. Well, body wise, I'm not good, but head, I'm excited. Want to do anything.
How's the sleep?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can control it now, so.
What do you mean control it?
I mean, if I'm not tired, I just take the pill.
So you're using the pills at the moment?
Yeah. It's my source.
And yeah, we'll just keep trying to do exercise, keep you tired, and then soon enough, you know, you'll be wanting to do more and you'll be able to go out with your boys for the day and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, that's the dream.
Yeah. Well, people are like, when's the next vlog up? And I'm like, when it's ready.
This weekend a good weekend. Oh, hika.
This is a short one.
This is a bad week.
Short vlog week. But we're gonna go do some stuff, maybe.
Yeah, us too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a whole day to ourselves.
We're gonna find another place to eat that you don't know about that you want us to try. Because the amount of messages we got, love Wucha, love Tigers.
So please, if there actually is people watching and wanting to, please recommend some Wellington places.
Yeah, like
to have a kayak.
Those hidden gems. It's whānau hidden gems of kai places.
Hold on this day, we might take her because she got very busy schedule. Very busy.
Yeah.
And then I'll be in Napier next week, so I won't be next week. Might be the week after, but who knows?
We just want to change it up for Tawhiri. Like, he's been in the whare for what, 4 months?
4 months, man. No people inside. Dad wouldn't allow it.
And so now, you know, just it's boring. So we want to.
Yeah, I'm sick of the game.
We'll send him to whānau that will look after him and spoil him and keep things exciting.
I'm seeing it sound like a fair. Oh, you're about to see my newborn nephew.
Oh yeah, Shiloh. Haven Shiloh. Cute. I'm just gonna go. I'll be back. The car's on.
Oh, we're getting marketed. Yeah, my newborn nephew. Haven't seen my cousin in a while. We used to be very close when we were young. There was like a group of us. So like that auntie I said before that I mentioned, my favorite auntie, my second mother. Like all my cousins used to go to her for holidays. So my older cousins and now my younger cousins go there. Then I guess around my age it would have been me, my cousin Layla, the one that had her baby, cousin Tiamana and Kani Karan, and us four we were a tight pack. But then slowly as we got older we started to dispatch. I'm the youngest, I think Kavan's the second youngest and Layla's the oldest, Tiamana's the second oldest. And yeah, used to be close back then, but nowadays we haven't seen each other for ages. Might be a bit awkward, but I'm sure we'll get close again very fast. Just catch up. And then yeah, the ones, I guess the older ones are like my cousin Nea, Georgia, Bronson. My auntie has looked after a lot of my cousins. Big ups to her. Not just my auntie, my nanny, my kuku, because they all live together. They've been looking after us for ages. Mad love to them, my love. And to my other grandparents too. See, I the things that they find it, please.
Oh, hi. Bye, Taya.
Today is Thursday and we are going to watch the new Black Adam movie. Now I'm not sure if Mark and Mum will come because apparently it's R13, but then again apparently I heard it's also rated M, so Mark can come, but who knows. Just finished Black Adam. Pip, how do you rate it?
10 out of 10. It was good.
It was good. I can't rate it there. If I was, it'd probably be a 7. I've watched too many greats, watched too many movies. It's good, but yeah.
Nanny.
Pip, you want to say anything? Yeah? Okay, I know where he's going to go now. What was the first down off? Okay, good. Papa, told you. They watch anime, they always go that way. Always.
Okay.
When you ask that question, they will always go that way. Dudes! Dudes! Ready? This brings a lot of damage! This is too intense. You did a couple haka? Do you do couple haka?
What way is he going to go then?
Always. Ready?
What are you doing?
No, he wasn't ready.
Oh, now I'm going to change my question. What's your favourite takeaway Macca's? Okay. I got it. Ready? But.